Welcome to the review of the Samsung Galaxy S20 in 2024. This device was released in February 2020. The S20 was a flagship device known for its powerful specs and impressive camera capabilities. But how does it hold up in 2024? Let's find out. Seriously, the Samsung Galaxy S20's design was ahead of its time, and in 2024 it still looks modern and sleek. The glass and metal build feels premium, but it's not as adorable as the titanium on the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15. I'm not a fan of the curved edge, but I think I love the one on the Galaxy S10 and this S20, as the edges are not too curved like the S8. Also, this was the first time Samsung took off the dedicated Bixby button and replaced that feature in the power key. For the first time, Samsung also took away the headphone jack on the Galaxy S20. The S20 features a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which was a groundbreaking in 2020. But unfortunately, you won't be able to use the 120Hz refresh rate with the WQHD Plus screen resolution. Yet the 120Hz refresh rate provides a smooth and responsive user experience. The display is vibrant with deep blacks and offers excellent color accuracy. However, newer devices have surpassed it in terms of brightness and resolution. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S20 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 and for the US version, and Exynos 990 for the global. This chipset was one of the most powerful available at the time of its release. It comes with 8 gigs of RAM, which is still sufficient for most tasks in 2024. However, it may struggle with more demanding tasks like me editing 4K videos with InShots. It lags and gets quite hot at some point, especially when I pip more video files on top of each other. For storage, you could get up to 128 gigs of storage for the S20 and up to 512 gigs of storage for the S20 Ultra. In terms of camera, the Galaxy S20 features a triple camera setup with a 12 megapixel main camera sensor, a 64 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens. The camera performance is sharp and provides details in very good lighting conditions. The telephoto lens offers up to a 3x optical zoom and a 30x digital zoom. But in low lighting conditions, the camera doesn't do a good job, except with the night mode that takes very good photos at night. The camera supports up to 8K video, which is not ideal for a lot of users, even content creators. In terms of battery life, the Galaxy S20 comes with a 400 mAh battery, which was considered decent at the time of its release. However, with more demanding usage and battery degradation over time, it may struggle to last even up to 8 hours in a day. The device supports super fast charging, wireless and reverse charging. In terms of software, the Galaxy S20 was launched with Android 10 and Samsung's One UI 2.1. The device received software updates up to Android 13 and One UI 5.1 currently. However, it is sad to say that this device no longer receives major updates from Samsung again. Now, the Samsung Galaxy S20 has seen a significant price drop since its release, making it even more affordable option in 2024. And for me, the S20 is still a pretty solid device for 2024 and to some extent will even be in 2025.